Similarly, another formula is integral secant x dx. I can use this integral secant x into, I will multiply secant x plus tan x with secant x plus tan x in both numerator and denominator. Thereby, secant x plus tan x dx. I equal to, this is I equal to, if I take, I multiplied with secant x plus tan x in both numerator and denominator. Okay. So put secant x plus tan x equal to t by using substitution method. Put secant x plus tan x equal to t by differentiating both sides with respect to x. D by dx of secant x equal to what? Secant x tan x plus d by dx of tan x equal to what? Secant square x dx equal to dt. This is if I take common secant x into secant x into secant x plus this tan x dx is equal to dt. This is what? Numerator part dt I can write. Therefore, I equal to integral, this whole part becomes dt by secant x plus tan x equal to t. This equal to what? Log mod t plus c. This equal to log mod t is what? Secant x plus secant x plus tan x